everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Christine. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing an Amazon haul. This is from MSQ and it is their 8 eyeshadow makeup brushes. It came in a box just like this and it says MSQ right there. And when you take it out, it comes in this pretty little bag and it's clear, and the makeup brushes or the eyeshadow brushes are in there, and it's separately wrapped in there in a plastic just like this. So I'm going to get them out. I'll take them out of the little plastic so they're individually wrapped. Let me see if there's anything. So this is pretty much, there's nothing in here that shows you what each items are used. And when the first one I take out, it's just like this. It says MSQ at the front of it, as you can see. And it's kind of light, not hollow feeling, but it feels good to hold. And this looks like a concealer brush, so it just looks like that. And the top part is like this. The sideway view. And then the second one is just like this. Same thing. It's got the brand there. It does not say anywhere on this what you use it for. So this, I would assume I'd use this for here. Excuse my makeup if it's kind of blotchy. And this one, the first one that I showed you, would be for here. And before I use this, I would wash this first with baby shampoo or something. The third one, this is longer than the first one that I showed you. And it is a little, actually it's pretty much the same. It's a little wider than the first one I showed you. So this is wider, it's the first one, this is the second one. So it's a little slimmer. But all in all, it's the same. It's flat, just like that. And this is the fourth one. There you go. It's very soft to touch. It's dense, but not too dense. It's good. Still, you can use it, no problem. If you see my eyeshadow kind of messed up, I'm using this new mascara and it's doing that. So this is round all the way, just like that. This is the top part, so you have an idea how the bristle looks from the top part. And the fourth one, this is, if you compare this one to this one is slightly longer compared to this one that I just showed you. The bristles are longer, and other than that, it's very similar. Top view. Maybe perhaps you want to use it here or here, or I don't know, that's kind of too big. My face would be a bit too big, but you can use it to do your contouring. There you go. This one is slightly slanted, just like that. Here's the top part. It's slightly pinched on the ferrule. And just pour this, or maybe do some highlight with it, but it's a bit too small, I think. Maybe for your nose. I got two more here. This one looks like that. If I compare this to the other one I showed you earlier, this is pinched on the ferrule slightly, unlike this one is just fully round. If you see the top part right there, you can see the difference. This is more round versus this is slightly flat. There you go. So comparison of the two. Same thing. And the last one that I have, this is what I would use for my eyebrows. It's slightly slanted, perfect for the brows. Or maybe put your eyeliner right here or right down here. Just like that. And this is the top view. It's dense, but soft at the same time. Okay? And here again is the view of all the makeup, the eyeshadow brushes. Just like that. So these three are the largest ones out of the 8 right here. And this is the medium size. And so you get an idea how these look. And if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.